So today I'm doing the Glitz accessories and such Halloween treasure box. Let me pull up the stuff for this box. Let's see, shop. Fall and Halloween HQ, I think. Let me see if I can find it. I should have pulled this up. Oh, I literally found it. It was, okay, so treasure box, you have to, it's like a separate website. So they have the Halloween treasure bag, which is only $14.99. It's over $40 worth of products. I got the Glitz treasure box Halloween edition that is $49. And it says a value of over $120. And then they have other boxes. They have like the 2-in-1 acrylic box that's $49. And then they have the Glitz treasure box summer special. They have tons of stuff, but I did the Halloween one because it's Halloween, obviously. So like I said, I did the $50 one, and all it says, all products will be randomized, worth $120 value, and it's Halloween edition. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. I love the look of this box, and let's just go ahead. Okay guys, so what came like on the outside was the 10% off code, which is thanks 10. And it came with a little, just a little free gift for you, free transfer foil, and it looks like a bunch of like, what are those called? Like coils, I think? I don't know. But let's go ahead and open this box. I love the little Halloween bow and stuff. Oops, I ripped it. Okay, that's great. Let's just remove that. Okay, so this is the Halloween treasure box. It says happy fall, y'all. And there is another thing that says the thanks 10 code, and look at this like hocus pocus type glitter. So let me pop that off so I can remember to keep it. Okay, so this is a treasure box exclusive, it says. And let's see. Professional use only. Just says treasure box exclusive. Okay, let's pull this out. So, just a bunch of like 3D like rhinestone type stuff. Let's see what, oh, it doesn't say anything on the back. It doesn't say anything in the back of this one, but it's like a pink glitter. This is like gold and yellow flowers with some little pearls. This looks like gold, like diamond type things. And this one looks like orange bead with some rhinestones. And this one, oops, open that up a little bit, is just like an orange glitter, perfect for Halloween. Okay, let's remove all this stuff. Okay, first thing I see is this in the bag. It is the gel painting precision brush in black. So I think it's just a black gel. Yes, so I'm not, oh, it's like, okay, like a liner brush. So I'm not gonna swatch this. Okay, that's super cool. And then next is this transfer foil. It says Happy Halloween. It's got masquerade masks and some skull and crossbones, and just some different Halloween stuff on it. And then it's the Dark Bat Halloween charms. Okay, so I thought they were gonna be like glitters, but they're a little like thicker and more sturdy. So I don't know, you can't really see what they are, but they're little tiny bats. And then it says color F, just stick them on your finger and toenails, and it just looks like a bunch of fall leaves, and it says autumn on it. So you could just put these on your nails. Then it comes with some nail stickers. We got some poison, happy Halloween, some jack-o'-lanterns, some bones, and stuff like that. Those are super cute. Okay, and then we have the 10 warm orange fire and ice sheet. It says these are worth $10. I honestly don't know what you do with these. I'm gonna have to look up, they have tutorials on this, so I'm gonna have to look up what you do with that. And then we have the Diamond Dust Pixie. So I love these, and I love that because they used to just come in like the white, like clear, and now they have like so many colors. So there's purple and like a goldish orange. Can make a cute look with that. And then lastly in this Halloween box, we have a Glitz Accessories and Such gel polish. I don't think it says the color on the outside, but we will go ahead and swatch this. Okay, it says NT44. Luxury purple. It is cat eye gel polish. Okay, well let me go ahead, pull out my Kiara Sky lamp and my swatch stick. So we're gonna write, I'm just gonna put Glitz because I don't want to write Glitz Accessories and Such. So Glitz, what did I write on these again? Okay, the name and then the number of coats. So this is, like I said, luxury purple. Luxury purple. And then we'll see how many coats we need. This is like a consistency of like regular polish. I like that. I think I'm just gonna do one coat and stick that in the lamp. Okay, so while that's going, we'll go over what we got. We got a ton of stuff in this box. We got this beautiful purple that I'll show you the color of. The black painting gel. I don't have anything like this, honestly, so I'm excited for that. The two, what are these called again? The like crystal, what are they? Oh, caviar beads, that's what they're called, in purple and gold. This that I don't understand what it is, I'll have to look up tutorial. Some stickers for fall and Halloween, transfer foil, some Hocus Pocus glitters, some Halloween bat charms, and then all of these glitters. So there's so much you can create with this. And I think I have code Isabel still. Like I said, I'm gonna put it in the description box. I'm not 100% positive if it's still gonna work, but it'll be down there. And I think that's enough for this. So this is the purple. It looks very sheer. Maybe I should do 2 coats. But that's what it looks like, just a cute purple. I feel like you could use it for multiple occasions. Okay, I feel like I'm going through everything super fast. But this is everything we got in the box. I was gonna say this month, but this is the Halloween treasure box. So yeah, this is everything we got in the box. You can create some super cute looks with that. It was $50, 50 something with shipping. So I think it's totally worth it. It came with tons of cute stuff and so many things to add to my collection. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy Halloween. I love to see all the looks on Instagram. Oh, these are my nails right now. I'll probably change them because I'm kind of bored with them now. But yeah, I love to see Halloween nails on Instagram, and I will try to create something with everything that I've been getting in all these boxes. But thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. I will have tons coming, guys, I promise. Bye.